As San Joaquin County faces a shortage in behavioral health workers,
if you're looking across the county and you're looking across all behavioral health services, so mild to moderate through severe, I would not be surprised that it's a couple hundred to several hundred.
A program aimed at helping reduce education costs and paying interns is luring students to finish their master's degree.
The cost of living is expensive, and to ask a student to not have any income while they're in graduate school and doing their 500 hours for MSW students is incredibly impactful. And for many, just not possible.
As is the case for Ivana Moreno and Estefania Hernandez Luna.
I was able to pay a whole semester for school.
Who each received financial assistance through the program.
It's hard to go to school, raise a child, and not have to worry about the finances.
A path that as a mother, Ivana did not know she could follow.
I'm not sure if I would have even tried to pursue it because my daughter's very young. So I feel like these are critical years for her that I would want to be in her life.
And one that Estefania was not sure she'd like to take on, given student loan debt she accrued as an undergrad.
Honestly, I don't know if I would have, and if I did, I would be struggling a lot. I would have to get another job on the side and work weekends when that could be used for homework.
Both Stanislaus State students are also currently working as paid interns through the program, providing relief that not many of their peers have.
You know, my colleagues have to still think about going to work after class, and thankfully I don't have to worry about that. I can go home and, like I said, spend time with my daughter or focus on homework that needs to be done.
In Stockton, Marisela de la Cruz, KCRA 3 News.
Now, this program runs through 2026. There will be dozens of new students eligible per year for financial assistance. It also includes retention bonuses for existing behavioral health workers.